transmitter and receiver. The same steps to adjust the volume and frequency. Press and hold for 3 seconds to switch on and off. Press in channel mode. Plus can adjust the channel up or down. Press the Alt key to volume mode. Press plus to adjust the volume up or down. In channel mode, long press the key to lock the screen with one key. You need to repeat the operation to unlock. In the volume mode, long press the key to mute one key. Cancel to repeat the operation. In the volume mode, long press the plus button to turn off all paired receivers with one key. In channel mode, long press the plus button to connect the receiver with one key. At this time, the signal value of the receiver flashes and changes.